Hey guys, what's going on? This is Rick from Altcoin Buzz, here with another video for you. This time though, we'll be talking about Basic Attention Token, or BAT, and its utility web browser, Brave. But guys, before I do, I gotta let you know that I'm not a financial advisor or expert, so make sure you're doing your own due diligence before you're diving on into anything. Cause I don't wanna hear you complaining. Now guys, what is Basic Attention Token? What is Brave? Well, according to the website, Basic Attention Token radically improves the efficiency of digital advertising by creating a new token that can be exchanged between publishers, advertisers, and users. It all happens on the Ethereum blockchain. The token can be used to obtain a variety of advertising and attention-based services on the Brave platform. The utility of the token is based on user attention, which simply means a person's focused mental engagement. So guys, BAT is looking to improve the effectiveness of online advertising. This vastly improves the experience for everyone involved, the user, the publisher, the advertiser. So their idea is for everyone to start using the Brave platform, which is essentially a web browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, but with some key features. Now, BAT will be the economy of said platform. So guys, it's a really revolutionary idea. It tackles a major issue. This is why I'm making the video. I love the utility of this idea because it tackles some big issues in the online advertising world. So what are those issues? Well, let's read about how this affects you, mainly the users. So digital advertising is overrun by middlemen, trackers, and fraud. Users are abused. Up to 50% of average users' mobile data is for ads and trackers, costing as much as $23 a month. Ads use about 5 seconds of mobile load time on average. Ads decrease phone battery life by as much as 21%. Privacy is violated when large media sites host up to 70 trackers. Malvertisements, ransomware is up to 123% in 1 year. So guys, these are all the ways that it basically affects you when you're browsing on your phone or whether you're browsing at home. All of these major sites, Google, YouTube, Amazon, the big ones, they literally track and attempt to form some kind of digital profile on you so they can advertise to you more effectively. And it's kind of despicable. If you ask me, I don't like it. But that's what they do, guys. And we unwittingly agree for them to do this when we say yes to those massive terms and conditions. And these are all the ways that it's actually costing us. So now for your average everyday publisher or your average everyday advertiser, someone that's trying to get onto these massive sites and advertise, this explains all the different ways it screws them. So for example, for a publisher, Google and Facebook literally take 73% of all ad dollars and 99% of all growth. How unbelievably unfair is that, guys? And that's what you get when you get an incredibly centralized system. When there is a king at the top and basically he takes the lion's share of everything and you can't do anything because these people now have a monopoly on the web. There is a monopoly on the internet, guys. This is why I am using the Brave platform from now on, the Brave browser from now on. I'm with it, guys. So everyone's getting screwed, and this is why I love decentralization. I love crypto. Oh, it's gonna free us from so many of these corporate chains that have been connected to us. I can't wait for things like this to start overturning Google and Firefox and all these other horrible tracking browsers. So about Brave and about BAT. Blockchain digital advertisement, introducing a decentralized, transparent digital ad exchange based on the Ethereum blockchain. So stage 1, the Brave browser. Brave is fast, open source, privacy focused browser that blocks malvertisements, trackers, and contains a ledger system that anonymously captures user attention to accurately reward publishers. So guys, they're not using some kind of a tracking system to figure you out, to track you from site to site. It's just an online ledger that records the time you're spending on each site. And it's we know how the blockchain works. It's completely anonymous. So it's not like these guys who basically build an online profile of you, then they sell it to each other, guys. They sell the information to each other for profit. The levels of business depravity that's going on at the top levels in tech, it is pretty crazy, guys. I mean, I don't want to go too conspiracy theory, but you know, there's a reason why Jeff Bezos took $600 million from the CIA, because they do this kind of stuff. They build profiles on the public and then they sell them to the CIA. It's crazy stuff, guys. I know. So stage 2, basic attention token. The basic attention token can be used to obtain a variety of advertising and attention-based services on the Brave platform, as it is an exchange between publishers, advertisers, and users. The token's utility is derived from or denominated by users' attention. Attention is really focused mental engagement on an advertisement in this case. So basically, guys, the token is how you get rewarded for your attention, for your engagement. It'll be passed between the publishers, the users, the advertisers. It'll be the economy of the entire Brave platform, the entire system. So how do they work together? It says it over here. The Brave browser knows where users spend their time, making it the perfect tool to calculate and reward publishers with bats. This service creates a transparent and efficient blockchain-based digital advertising market. Publishers receive more revenue because middlemen and fraud are reduced. Users who opt in receive fewer but better targeted ads that are less prone to malware and advertisements. They get better data on their spending. So guys, you get the ads you want to pay attention to. It's not just these ads that for example, those Facebook ads you totally can't skip, that just pop up in the middle of the video. That's you being bombarded by advertisement, guys. And to be honest, when it happens to me, I skip the video. I'm like, nah, I'm not even gonna watch this video because this is not fair that you're making me watch something that I don't want to watch. So guys, let's go down a little bit through the website, and we've got a visual representation of how the system works. So the Brave browser anonymously monitors users' attention, then rewards publishers accordingly with bats. So we have it all here. It's a nice little triangular system. Users are rewarded with bats for their attention. So then publishers receive bats based on user attention. Revenue increases as inefficiencies decrease. Advertisers then achieve higher return on investments, better targeting, and reduced fraud. The anonymity shield, guys, protects you from all that malware, all that stuff that tracks you, that slows you down, that causes you to have to pay extra on your mobile phone data, that slows your mobile down. All this crazy malware that they're basically hacking and spying on you guys for no good reason other than to sell you something. That's totally unfair. I totally disagree with that. I mean, if there was a good reason they were possibly spying on us, like, you know, the old reason, we're doing it for your protection, but they're not. They're tracking us so they can sell us better, you know, iPhones. And I'm not with it. Not with it at all, guys. Now, how you can access your Brave browser, guys, you go onto obviously the basic attention token website, and when you scroll down, you click the link to the Brave browser. Now, you can download the browser for any operating system. You know, they've got it for the Mac, they've got it for the Windows, they've got it for your mobile phone. So it's on the Google Android store, it's on the Apple store as well. So it works for all your phones. Those are the two major ones, the new operating systems that are going around anyway. Now, let me give you a really cool example of why I'm currently, right now, I'm using the Brave browser. Let me go to Firefox, guys. Let's go to Firefox and click it open. Obviously, look how slow it is. Oh my god, how embarrassing is that? Firefox is installing updates. Come on, Firefox. Oh my gosh. There we go. Finally, we're up and running. So, let's say you jump onto Firefox like you do, and you go on to search for some Altcoin Buzz, because you love us and we provide you great content, guys. So we go to Altcoin Buzz. Look at it. We can see how slow the page is, right? Are you noticing this? We click Altcoin Buzz and we'll go to their videos and we'll click the latest one. Now, let's say you're enjoying this video, guys. Well, if we go to the Brave browser, let me show you what's happening behind the scenes. Let's go to that same video using the Brave platform. Let's go to Altcoin Buzz. I don't know why that made any difference, but why not? We'll go to our page. We'll go to videos. Look how much faster it is, guys. Now we'll click that. Now I want you to check this out. If we go up to the top right lion head icon, open Brave Shields panel. Now if we click that, you actually see, guys, on this page, 12 ads and trackers are being blocked right now. So if you're using Firefox and you're watching Altcoin Buzz videos, that's what you're being subjected to, guys. 12 ads and trackers. And that's just on one YouTube page. Imagine when you guys have all of your web browsers open to all of the pages, all your crypto pages, everything. Look at all those spying devices that are inside of just a simple just your simple web browser. And you know what else? I love all the little cool functions that this browser has. So if you look over here, it actually says it loaded this page in 0.01 milliseconds. Let's click and open another page. So let's say facebook.com. Now it goes to the page. Boom. 0.12 milliseconds, guys. That's so much quicker than what we just saw Firefox. Let's do it again. Let's try Firefox for an example. Facebook. I don't know. To me, it feels like the Brave is slightly faster. And I've been using it now for a couple of days. It feels like it's faster. And to be honest, I love that it doesn't have the trackers. That's the biggest selling point to me, is the trackers. I'm not using Google Chrome. I'm not using anything anymore. I've got Brave on my phone. I've got Brave on my laptop. So I'm happy with it, guys. Give it a try. I'd say give it a try before you buy. This is what is so cool about BAT and having this utility web browser. You can give it a try before you buy. Let's have a look at the financials of BAT at the moment. So it's currently in the green. It's going for 44 cents. But if we look at its overall chart, guys, we can see that since, you know, crypto had that massive correction, its high was around the 90-cent mark. So it's down around, 46 cents from its all-time high, even though it is in the green. You can make your own decision on whether or not you can invest in it now or give it a watch. Let's see where it moves. It's currently ranked 58. It's a sub 1 billion market cap, guys. Anything sub 1 billion in crypto that has utility, that has an active product that people can get, that people can use, I'm going with it because I'm using it and I'm seeing if it works, and I say it works, guys. That's just my basic opinion, but give it a try. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you think of it, guys. Now, if you want to know where to buy it, BAT is basically on all the major exchanges. It's on your favorite exchange, Binance, of course. We love you, Binance. Thank you, CZ. And it's on Hubio. It's on Bitfinex. It's on all the major exchanges. This is a major coin, guys, and I really believe in it. I think this is one of the solid tokens that we can invest in and that we can say, you know what, this is a long-term hodl. The more people get exposed to this, the more people start using this, the more people start learning about how they're being spied on by their everyday web browser, by their everyday web company that they visit, whether it be Amazon or Facebook. They're gonna really get sick of it, and they're gonna turn to decentralized platforms like Brave. That's what I'm going with. That's why it's my pick, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Give me a like or a share. Jump onto the Altcoin Buzz Twitter page. Don't forget to join the altcoin army. We are the ever-growing army, guys. You are the reason we are expanding. You are the reason why we keep producing content. You are the reason why Jeff has been able to go out and scour the earth for more analysts to create more content for you, because you're thirsty for altcoin content, and we're going to deliver it to you guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. This has been Rick.